welcome back in our today's mathematics class. This is Hina Adhikari. Student, in this class we are doing our last exercise 11.4. This exercise again we are going to divide into two parts. In first part we will do 1 to 6 question. In second part we will complete this exercise. Right? And start the exercise. Before starting the exercise, the introduction about the exercise question. In this exercise, we have same type of questions that we have already done. Very simple question we have. Okay, so introduction already we have done in our starting video. So let's start our exercise 11.4. The question number 1 we have. A garden is 90 meter long and 75 meter broad. One garden is there and length and breadth is given to you. It means the garden in which shape? It is in rectangle shape. Right? A path 5 meter wide is built outside around it. So this is a garden and outside one path has made, which is again a rectangular shape, 5 meter wide. It means 5 meter from this side, 5 meter from this side. Both sides 5 meter wider. It has made one path, right? Find out the area of path. So you need to find out this area, student. So as many questions we have done our previous exercise, how to take out this area of path, inside one area, area of outer one rectangle minus area of inner one rectangle, right? Very simple, student. So next line is find the area of garden in hectares. This area of garden, when you will take out this, you will convert into hectares. Hectares is also a unit, like convert into centimeter, convert into millimeter. So the same manner you have to convert into hectares. Right, student? Very simple question. Now start the solution. As the question, area of path you need to find out. So area of path is equals to what it is? Area of path, outer path minus area of garden. Right, student? Obvious, you will minus this garden minus this path, then you will take out the area of path. In the same manner we are doing the equation. Right, student? So area of path, you know it is in shape of rectangle. So area is length into breadth minus garden is also length into breadth. Now coming to the part, what is the length for the path and what is the length for the garden or breadth and length, whatever. So see, when we talk about length of path, this path from here till here, this total path, okay, and the garden path length is given to you 90 meter. Okay, garden length you know 90 meter and garden breadth is also you know 75 meter. What about path length? You know garden length this much 90. So 90 plus 5 plus 5 because 5 meter from this side, 5 meter from this side. Right, student? So total will be 100 meter. Right? So it means length of path is 100 meter into same manner breadth. This much is 75. So 5 plus 5. So breadth will be 75 plus 5 left hand side plus 5 right hand side. So total will be 85 meter. Right, student? Now do the calculation. That's it. 100 into 85 is 8500 meters square minus 75 into 90. So 75 nines are 675 10 as it is. So this is the area of garden, area of path. So you will subtract it. 0, 10 minus 5, 5, 14 minus 7, 7, 7 minus 6, 1. So the answer is 1750. So it means the remaining path area is 1750. Very simple. This is the end of the equation. But one more part is there. You have to convert the area of garden into hectare. So for this, we know 1 meter square is equal to 1 upon 10,000 hectare. This is the formula, student. Because in 1 hectare, we have 10,000 meter square. It means 10,000 meter square is equals to 1 hectare. But we have to convert meter square. So 1 meter square is equal to 1 upon 10,000. As we used to do, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is equals to 1 upon 100 meter. The same manner, this is the general formula. From this formula, we took this formula. So how many meter square we have? 6750 meter square is equals to 6750 upon 10,000. Now calculation 10, cancel out 10. We have 675 in the numerator. 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros in the denominator. So after 3 digits, put a decimal. This is 0.675 hectare. Very simple. And here what concept we have used? Convert into decimal. In decimal chapter we have learned that convert into decimal. Right student? It's simple. So I hope you got this question. Very simple question we have. So this is all about question number 1. Now coming to our next question. Now coming to our question number 2. A 3 meter wide path runs outside a rectangular park of length and breadth is given to you. Same question. One rectangular path whose length is 125 meter is given to you and breadth is given to you 65 meter. Right? And outside it one path is there which is 3 meter wide. Means 3 meter wide from each side. Left side, right side, up side, down side. So it is 3 meter wide. Very simple. Next is find the area of path. So you need to find out this area. So same question as we had in question number 1. How you will find out area of path? Area of outer path minus area of rectangular park. Right student? So length inside one given to you. Inside one rectangular path length and breadth is given to you. Outside how you will take out? Outside one length is 125 plus 3 plus 3. Why? Because total from here till here. Similarly breadth 65 this much and total is plus 3 and plus 3. So this will be the length and breadth for outer side. Area value you will put for both and subtract the areas and then get the answer. Same question student. So this question is homework for you. Please solve this question by your own. I hope you understood this question. Now coming to our next question. Coming to our question number 3. A picture is painting on a cardboard. One cardboard is there and you have drawn a picture. This is a cardboard and this picture suppose you have made. This is a picture and on a cardboard you made one picture. Right student? And cardboard length is given to you 8 centimeter and breadth is given to you 5 centimeter. Right student? Now means cardboard length and breadth is given to you. And on a cardboard you made this picture such that there is a margin 1.5 centimeter along each of its side. It means margin means wide. You made the margin no every drawing sheet before making a picture. In the same manner margin is 1.5 centimeter on each side. Means left side also, right side also, up and down. Each side margin is 1.5. Question wording is different but method is same. Length breadth. Now cardboard is given to you, not picture one. So picture one length breadth. How you will find out? I will tell you. The question is find the total area of margin. Now student, you will see this is total. It doesn't mean you will add the area. No. What is question? What is the total area of margin means? What is this margin area? See. So it means how you will find out this margin area? This outer one cardboard area minus this picture area. Got student? Question is same but wording is different. Understand it. Okay? And the question, in the question length breadth outside one means bigger one rectangle is given to you, smaller one not. In previous question smaller one rectangle length and breadth was given to you. Outer one you found by plus, left hand side by plus, right hand side. But here how you will find out picture length and breadth? See small one picture. Now you can see this total is given to you 8. Total is 8. But picture, this is total. But picture is this much only. So this much is extra. So this you will minus means minus 1.5 minus 1.5. In previous question you have added because total आपको find out करना था, but here आपको picture का करना है, so vice versa total में से जो extra है you will minus. That will be the length of the picture only. So 8 minus 3 is 5 centimeter. Similarly breadth is total 5. So 5 minus 1.5 minus 1.5. 1.5 1.5 3. So 5 minus 3 is 2 centimeter. And you can add also. Inside one length is 5. 5 plus 1.5 plus 1.5 total 8 आया स्टूडेंट. Got it? It means the question is अगर बाहर की outside की निकालनी है तो you will add the margin और अगर inside की निकालनी है you will subtract the margin. That's it. Okay? So length and breadth you know. Now the area of remaining part you can say, the area of margin you can say, because here the word margin is using. So the same you will write. Area of margin is the area of cardboard minus area of picture. I hope you got students. Same area of cardboard, length into breadth minus length into breadth. So area of cardboard is given to you 8 centimeter into 5 centimeter minus area of picture 5 centimeter into 2 centimeter. Now just calculation. 8 5s are 40 centimeter square, 5 2s are 10 centimeter square, 40 minus 10 30 centimeter square. It means the total area of the margin, yeah, the area of margin is 30 centimeter square. Student, question is just same, but the wording is different. You need to understand that what value you need to take out. That's it. And I hope you understood how to take out the values. So this is all about question number 3. Now coming to our next question. Coming to our question number 4, student. Again same type of question. A veranda of width 2 meter is constructed along a room which is 5 meter long and this meter wide. It means this is veranda and this is room. Around the room there is a veranda. How meter wide? The wide is 2.5 meter wider. So it means from each side it will be 5.5 meter wide. And length and breadth is given to you of this room which is 5.5 meter long and breadth 4 meter wide. So that's simple, student. Always whenever inside length breadth given to you, so the outside one you will take out with plus, and when outside one given to you, inside one you will do with minus. And margin always mentioned in the question. Very simple, student. So the question is find the area of veranda. This veranda area you need to find out. Again very simple. Both area you will subtract. Second part, the cost of cemented floor of the veranda at the rate of 200 per meter square. This is addition into it. If you found the total area for 1 meter square is this much cost, so the total will be that into 200. So this part is very simple. And how to take out this veranda? You know how to do. So solution, area of veranda will be always, student. Have you seen same type of question? Just wordings and the formation of question is different. Area of veranda is outside rectangle. You can write minus area of room. Whatever you will write, your choice. Area of outside L into B. Inside room L into B. Outside run will length will be 5.5 plus 2.5 plus 2.5. So it will be 10.5 meters. So breadth will be 4 meter plus 2.5 plus 2.5. So it will be 9 meter. So that's it. So length 10.5 meter into breadth 9 meter minus length of room 5.5 meter and breadth 4 meter. So simply you will take out the area. Already we have done. Now the total area you will multiply with 200, that will be the cost. That's it, student. I hope you understood. The question are very basic only. Again and again same type of question with different mode of the question and with the different terms. That's it. You have to do the calculation for the given term. Okay, so the rest part you will do by on. This is homework for you. You will complete this question, take out the area with the calculation, and after that cost for the cemented for the given area. Okay, I hope you understood. Please do the calculation, then only you will be perfect in your calculations. So this is all about our question number 4. Now coming to our next question. Now student, coming to our question number 6. Question number 5 we have in the same manner as we have in question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So question number 5 is homework for you. Okay student, so directly I am doing the question number 6. Two crossroads, each of width 10 meter. Two roads are there and width means chodai. The width of each road is 10 meter, which is cut at right angle through the center of a rectangular park. It means student, this is a rectangular park, and from this rectangular park two roads are made. Okay, and these roads cross to each other. See, as you can see, it is from left to right, up to down, so they cross to each other at right angle triangle in between, right student? And if length and breadth is given to you of a rectangular park, so it means this rectangular park length is given to you 700 and breadth is given to you. What is the question? Find the area of road. You have to find the area of road. Okay, and second, find the area of park excluding road, means this one area only, in which road area will be excluded. Simply whenever you will find out this area, then you will subtract this minus this. This we know. Okay, next is give answer in hectares like in question number 1 we have done. But the question is find the area of road. First part means in this you will do two things. One, area of road, and the second thing, area of park. Area of park excluding road, in which roads are excluded. Right student? So very first, area of road. So let's start. Area of road. As you can see student, road. This is a very first road. This road is just parallel to the length of the park. As you can see, from here to here, from here till here. So this is the length is parallel to this only. Right student? And what about breadth? Breadth is 10 meter wide, which is same for all the road. It is given width is 10 meter. Width means broadness. This is breadth. So breadth is given to you 10 meter. What about this road? This length is 300 meter because this is 300 meter is given to you, and breadth is 10 meter only. Right student? Because 10 meter wider is from each side is given to you. I hope you got. This road is parallel to this side and this road is parallel to this side. So whatever length is and breadth is given to you, that will be the length for a particular road. Right student? So for convenience, I have written the name. Park is ABCD, crossroad is EFGH, one road, IJKL, second road, and see student, here is square. जहाँ पे क्रॉस हो रहे हैं, there is a portion which is square in shape. I have given name PQRS. Right student? So every figure I have mentioned the name. So let's start. Area of road is area of first road, that is EFGH, plus area of second road IJKL. Now see student, one more road is there, this one which is common. In EFGH जब हम देखें तब भी PQRS is coming, and then IJKL then also PQRS, but the portion is same. Portion वही है पर दो बार आ रहा है student, but side तो एक ही है, road तो एक ही बार है, इस road में भी आ रहा है and horizontal भी vertical भी. So 2 times it's coming. It means 1 time we will subtract because दो बार नहीं है वो road. Because that road is 1 time only. So that is why for 1 time we will subtract. Okay. So minus area of PQRS we will subtract one time. One area of PQRS. Okay, because two times is coming with EFGH also, with IJKL also. So one time we have subtracted. Right, student? So area of EFGH, as you can see, this road is in rectangular shape. So length is 700 meter and breadth is 10 meter. Because length is just parallel to this length of the park. Now plus length of IJKL is parallel to this, so that is 300 meter into breadth is 10 meter minus area of PQRS. PQRS, this is wider 10 meter, this is wider 10 meter. It means it is square in shape. It means side into side. Because it is 10, it is 10, it is 10. If all sides are same means square in shape. Right? So now calculation. 700 into 10, 7000 meter square plus 300 into 10, 3000 meter square minus side into side means 10 into 10 to 10, that is 100 meter square. Right, student? Now do calculation. 7000 plus 3000, 10,000 meter square minus 100 meter square. So when you will subtract 0, 0, 9, 9. So the answer is 9,900 meters square. This is the area of road. Got, student? What we have done? Area of road. So this area plus this area. But this area is coming twice a time. So one time we have subtract. And whatever shape is forming, we just put the formula of that. That's it. So this is meter square. Question is asking give answer in hectares. So student, what you will do? As we know, 1 meter square is equals to 1 upon 10,000 hectare. So how many meters square? 9900 is equals to divide by 10,000 hectare. So 20 cancel out with 20. So as you can see, 2 zeros are there. After 2 digits there will be decimal. So 0.99 hectare is the answer. Very simple, student. I hope you got area of road. This is first part completed. Now coming to a second part, we have to take out the area of park. So this area of park minus area of road. Very simple. Okay. So now coming to this part. Now second, area of park excluding road. No. So the area of park, as you can see from the figure only area of park is given to you. Road should be removed. So it means you will subtract these areas of road and right. So it means for area of park, it will be area of this ABCD minus area of crossroads. Because we have to excluding road given to you. So we are excluding, we are doing minus, right? So ABCD, length into breadth, rectangular shape, area of road is 9900 meters square. The answer we have taken out. It means length is given to 700 meter, breadth 300 meter minus 9900 meters square. So 7 3s are 21. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros meter square minus 9900 meter square. So when you will subtract it, you will get the answer 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 2, 2. So 200, 100 meter square is the area of garden. Now change into hectare. So 1 meter square is equals to 1 upon 10,000 hectare. So we want 200, 100 upon 10,000. So 20 will cancel out 20. But we have 2 digits. So numerator we have 2001. After 1, 2. 2 digits we will put a decimal. So 20.01 hectare is the answer. This is the addition part. It's okay. How to convert? With the formula you just divide with the 10,000. Convert into hectare. Okay. And this, you know student how to do? Here it is just lengthy question. In same question, 2 areas we have to find out. Area of road then area of this park. Okay student, I hope you understood this question. For today's part, this much only till question number 6 we will do. Okay, in next video we will proceeding further with our exercise questions. Okay, so at last, thank you so much for watching student. Bye bye and take care and do practice of your homework question.